Okay, so how to set up the time on this watch, Casio W737H. To do that, first we need to be in the timekeeping mode, like this one. And then press and hold the adjust button on the top left. So we can see that the second is blinking like this. For the second, we can set up by pressing the start stop button to make it 0. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. And then if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Now we can press the mode button to cycle to the next item to set, and that is the hour. Okay, we can increase the number by pressing this one, the start stop button at the bottom right, and we can also decrease the number by pressing the split button on the top right. Okay, next press again the mode button to move to the minute, and then we can use these two buttons to set the number. So this one will increase and the top one will decrease like this. Okay, again press the mode button to move to the next item. This is going to be the 12 hours or 24 hours format. So if we press the start stop button, it will change to the 24 hours or vice versa. And I'm going to set up like this, the 12 hours format, and we can see here P meaning 11 p.m. Okay, next press again the mode button to move to the next item. This is the year 2022, and you can press these two buttons to change. So this will increase and this will decrease. Yes, next again press the mode button to move to the month November or 11. So we can use the top button to decrease and then this one to increase. And same thing for this one, the date. Again press the mode button. Okay, now this will decrease and this will increase. And again press the mode button. Now we are in the second, or returning to the first item that we set. And if you're done with the setting, you can press the adjust button once, and now we are back to the timekeeping mode and done. You have already set your watch Casio W737H. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video is useful. See you again in the next video. Bye. Okay.